What's going on, guys? So today we're checking out the NUROUM. This is their all-in-one conference speaker. This is the C50 360 Pro conference speaker. This thing is really stinking cool. But with that said, let's check it out. Now, first up is the AI noise cancellation technology. So whether you're working from a busy office or hosting a remote meeting, this feature filters out background noise, leaving you with crystal clear sound. If seamless communication is a priority for you, I would say that this is going to be a great option. As you can see up here on top, you can see all the camera holes. So when you put this in the middle of your conference room, it's gonna pick up sound from everywhere, and the AI is gonna clear out any of that background noise and make it really clear. Now, moving on to one of the most important parts right here, as you can see, is the camera. Now, this is a Sony 12 megapixel CMO sensor paired with a 360 panoramic viewing, gives you full view of a room, ensuring no blind spots. So basically, this thing is going to be able to see anyone sitting in a 360-degree meeting room. So if you're in a large meeting room, you're sitting around a table, maybe you're recording a podcast and you want to record it in a really cool way, this is going to allow you to do that. The other thing that's really neat is that it also gives you auto framing and speaker tracking. So this camera automatically adjusts to keep the focus on whoever's speaking at that time, perfect for team discussions and presentations, which I think again is just a really cool feature. Now, the setup is incredibly easy. It's literally just plug and play and you're ready to rock and roll. Plus, the included remote control lets you zoom in up to 3 times, switching between modes like discussion mode, presentation mode, and global mode to fit your meeting needs regardless. So you don't actually have to have any software that's going to cause you, everything is going to, or software that you need to like set up or manipulate. Everything is done directly on the unit and then pass through over to your video conferencing software. Now, again, one of the coolest aspects of this thing is the 360 view paired with AI tracking, which makes sure that you don't miss anything. And then as you can see in this tower, right, this tower configuration, the bottom down here with that texture is the speakers. So it's gonna have speakers that are gonna pass that audio around. So basically just gonna make for a really solid conference call scenario regardless. But ultimately, this 360 camera, this whole idea of being able to see around an entire room is really cool. So ultimately, guys, if you're looking for a very unique piece of hardware that's gonna allow you to do something that I think is super unique when it comes to the conference call space, being able to put this on a table just like this and anyone sitting in the room gonna be able to be heard, be seen, controlled from remote, and it's super easy to set up. This is an absolute game changer for your meetings. So with that said, guys, if you're in the market for something like this, or maybe you didn't even know this existed, definitely consider checking it out. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.